Abahlali base-South Beach enkabeni yeThekwini bavuse inqwaba yamaphoyisa. Lokhu bekuyingxenye yokwethulwa kwe-Safety Month and Festive Season Law Enforcement Campaign. Iqulu labantu basezweni ngaphandle abakuleli ngokungemthetho abebehlala kuleli bhilidi bakhalelwa ngamasongo kasigonyela. Kwathi kulesi sitolo amaphoyisa athatha impahla beyidayisa ngokungemthetho. Ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa ubheke Cele uthi lokhu kusakuncane.
Anywhere where there are people that with a high level of untraceability, that's a problem. You hear people here, they come from all different countries. We have the way of identifying people in the Republic of South Africa. If they're not in the system, whatever kind of crime they commit, it will be difficult.
Lo mkhanankaso ubandakanya yonke imikhakha yezomthetho nokuvikela komphakathi.
We have structured our operation in phases. There's 5 phases altogether, which will have started mid of October and is going to end at the end of January.
Uhulumeni uthi kuzosetshenziswa nobuchwepheshe besimanje ukufinyelela kalula endaweni ezisizinda zobugebengu.
During this period, we will also be applying technology, including the drones, to monitor high crime zones and capturing footage of criminal activity. We will also be using drones to check disaster-stricken areas around this season to assess as well the damage, as well as looking after the livestock assets.
Dube-Ncube uthi amaphoyisa azobe ephuma ngomningi emgaqweni. Bongani Gema indaba ze SABC eThekwini.